Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable camera access on Discord, step by step. Whether you're protecting your privacy or just want to control which apps can access your camera, this quick guide will help you do it effortlessly. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your app permissions are managed. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap it to open the full list of installed applications. Next, look for Discord in the list. Depending on how many apps you have, you might need to scroll a little. But once you spot Discord, tap on it. This will open a new page showing details and options for the app itself. Now tap on Permissions. Here you'll see all the access Discord currently has on your phone, things like microphone, storage, contacts, and of course camera. To disable camera access, find it in the list, and tap on Camera. From here, you'll see permission options such as Allow Only while using the app, Ask Every Time, and Don't Allow. Choose Don't Allow to completely turn off camera access for Discord. Once you've selected that option, your setting will automatically take effect. That's it, camera access is now disabled. Discord will no longer be able to use your phone's camera, whether you're on calls or video chats. Of course, you can always go back and enable it again anytime by following these same steps and selecting Allow. Taking a few moments to review your app permissions like this is a great habit to maintain your privacy. It ensures that only the apps you trust can use your camera, microphone, or location when you really want them to. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need a quick privacy refresher. Thanks for watching.